We're gonna skate Saturdays, suspension trucks.
Hold it. Let me see this.
First ever suspension truck.
Okay.
We got Roland, Matt, Rick, Mikey going at it. You know, for the
Matt.
I don't know why we did that. Last. I'm like second to last.
Thank you, sir. Mo.
Rick, Matt, you, me. It's a 775. I feel like try with it.
Okay.
Quit, dude.
All right, we have our first ever forfeit.
By the way, he was undefeated until he forfeited.
Great episode.
Someone else missed it, I think. Yeah, if you want to. I know you want to. Go ahead.
And down.
Is that redo though?
Yeah, he gets
Do I get that
Austin
redo
did it.
All right, giving you a redo.
Redo though?
Austin, man.
Yeah. It's the Costin hand drag rule.
Well, this is the Hobson hand
It's
drag.
defense.
Hobson.
Oh no!
No, Mikey messed up. What do you think? Oh, he's gonna redo his own.
Yeah, that was sick though.
That's okay. See a redo. Everybody's faces set it off. It hurts me more than it hurts you, Rick.
All of them skate 8 or bigger.
Oh, Matt Saint redo, dude.
I thought it was pretty good.
I thought that was pretty good. I saw it and it I don't know, man.
There you go.
Oh, the first one counted.
I got one more. Diego Pop, whatever.
I'll let you spring up. Mikey.
Go ahead.
Oh yeah, go ahead.
Oh, I knew it.
It's like icing him. You know what I mean?
Whitehouse,
I iced his leg. It's called icing the kick. I know he had a S already.
He was gonna go out of bounds. So
Justin counted it.
you were gonna go out of bounds and you controlled it to not go out of bounds. So
I like your.
He had control.
I like your explanation there.
And I know Rick got it. So.
He doesn't. He doesn't.
It's okay, dude.
Rick is looking a little nervous after that knowledge tray. Oh, he had nothing to be nervous about.
Next week, can you try me something? Yeah.
Woo. Yep. Woo. Hey, come here, Matt.
The winner is Mikey Waha.
Let me see this truck again.
These things are bouncy, dude. They bounce. Feels like you're on a damn trampoline, man. It's crazy, dude. That's good. That's good, man. Let me see. Sorry, quick. It's kind of crazy. Try to pop a kickflip. They're pretty cool. I mean, they're kind of cool, but. Are they cool now? I think it gives you more pop or something. I say macho. That's like cheating. I say macho.